If you're like most real Jeep owners, I know you love keeping your hardtop or your soft top off as long as possible. And when you can't keep the Jeep in the garage, keeping track of the weather forecast becomes a job. The Bestop all-weather trail cover for the 4-door JK 07-18 Wrangler is the solution to that pain in the butt problem, so you don't have to scramble to put your top back on. This can even just cover the Jeep at night so any unwanted critters don't crawl in your Jeep, and it also is helpful for just throwing on whenever you're not using the Jeep during the day, so you can protect your interior from fading in the sun or just collecting dust. Now, I would like to mention that we also have an option for the 2-door owners, so make sure you get the right one for your JK. This cab cover is super easy to install, if an install is what we can call it, so I'm giving it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and we'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Like I mentioned before, this is waterproof, and it's also built with a high-quality UV protected fabric that's the same material used for Bestop soft tops and the bikini tops. The fabric is going to be specifically cut out to fit every curve of your 4-door with the top off, and it's very durable and will have a long lifespan standing up to the elements. What I really like about this cab cover is that it's also compatible with other Bestop products like their bikini tops, tonneau covers, and their windjammers, so you don't have to uninstall those products in order to use this cab cover. To secure the cab cover, Bestop integrated heavy-duty nylon straps that are adjustable so you can pull it snug. This cab cover also has door flaps that reach all the way to the bottom over the door sills, so if you have trail doors or even no doors on at the time, your Jeep will still be protected and water won't leak inside your cab. Not to mention, this also comes with a small tote bag so you can store your cover and throw it in the back of your Jeep in case you need it for that unexpected storm. Compared to other options on the site at the moment, this is a higher price cover at about $150. Now, this is not the most expensive option on the site and is a good option considering that this is the only tested and proven waterproof cover offered, even over the water-resistant Rugged Ridge option that's about $70 more. Not to mention, this is made by Bestop, who are one of the leaders in the business for soft tops, ensuring that you're getting quality fabric and design out of this cab cover, and it also comes with a limited warranty to keep some peace of mind. Now, like I mentioned before, this install is very straightforward, but I still have to rate it, and it gets a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me. Now we'll pull the Jeep into the shop and show you how to throw this thing on.
All you have to do is throw the trail cover over your Jeep, making sure that the Bestop label is on the passenger side. Then you can secure the straps along the bottom of the rocker guard and slide the tabs around the back inside the belt retainer. Then all you have to do is secure one more strap on the bottom of your tailgate and you're all set.
So if you were looking for some quick waterproof protection for your 07-18 4-door JK, this Bestop all-weather cab cover is going to be a great option for you. I'm Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.